How to scan QR code in Telegram to join group. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to scan QR code in Telegram to join group. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's get started. If you receive a QR code, for example in a message on a screen, the first thing you need to do is take a screenshot or simply save a QR code. You can simply open or locate the screenshot in your gallery by opening a gallery or photos app on your phone. Then you need to find the screenshot of the QR code. Now you need to open the screenshot and then use the Google Lens to scan the QR code. For that, let's open Google Lens and then place the QR code. Once the Google Lens scans the QR code, it will display the URL link. Simply you need to copy the URL and paste it on a web browser. So let's copy it by tapping on copy URL at bottom left corner of your screen. Now launch any web browser on your device and paste it on your web address bar. Now this will directly open your group and then you can tap on join group button. And then you will successfully become a member of the group, and that's it. You successfully scan a QR code in Telegram to join a group following this method. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.